Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's update our current view on the euro currency. Well, you see that market has proceeded lower as we expected, and in fact yesterday has hit our next and nearest support area. That was also the destination point for the current week. That is the 128.50 area. And you can see all the support levels that stands in this area. So that is double green line is the weekly pivot support 1 and monthly pivot support 1. Market has hit it yesterday, so you can see that also daily oversold. 1618 extension of that pattern, A, B, C top. 127 extension of this butterfly, although it's not quite reversal, but if we just speaking in terms of the shape, that is the butterfly, and that is 127 extension of that swing. Well, in the normal environment, we could count on some bounce to the upside. And if market is not overloaded with the negative issues, negative news, well, it's quite logical to see even minor 3.8 bounce to 129.50, 129.70 area. So you can see this is the 3.8 resistance of that swing. That is this swing low between the tops. That's particularly the swing that I spoken about yesterday. So if market will show some bounce here right to this area, retested this broken support resistance, tested this 3.8 and continue move down, well, that will be absolutely normal and absolutely logical. But currently you see that market looks a bit heavy. So if in fact it will not show any bounce here and continue move down, it just will tell us how weak it is. In this case, we probably will be focused primarily on the target of the weekly patterns, this low that stands around 127.35 to 127.40 area. That's the minor target, minimum target of the weekly stop grabber pattern. So in fact, currently, I think that's better to not enter short right now, since we're at significant support, and wait for the bounce up. If we will see any, then we could use it for scale in, or just entering short again if you have taken profit in this area, because that is reasonable profit taken since you are at significant support. Well, and so logical to expect some bounce to the upside. Well, currently it's just very difficult to predict since market really shows the pressure on this level. So no bounce has happened yet from this area. Maybe it will happen tomorrow, since tomorrow will be Friday. Some profit taking could come from this move down. Anyway, we're at support, and to enter short right at the support and daily oversold, it's not the way how we would like to enter short. We need to rally to sell into, as we usually do. But as I said, we should keep an eye on this development in this area, because if market will proceed lower without any respect of this significant support area and move below as weekly support 1, as monthly support 1, this will tell us something different. We will know that market is really heavy, some significant bearish pressure exists here, and in this case we probably could be focused on the downward continuation right to this area. That's the short-term trading plan for the rest of the week. On the 4-hour time frame, what we see? Actually, that's our support level. I do not see any patterns just yet here. One thing that I see is that if you will apply the harmonic swings here, you will see that market approximately should retest this area, 129.55. Approximately that is also will be this low, as you can see. I'll show you here this low between the tops on the daily time frame. But no patterns has been formed yet. So that could be first some short-term setup for the double repo buy, because we have sufficient number of bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bars down, but we do not have any penetration of the 3x3 yet. So here it could be either double repo buy, or market could form here some kind of the butterfly, small butterfly. This could be left wing if market will form right wing with the small washing rings of these lows, and will start return right back. Well, in this case, probably that could be the starting point of this retracement. So if you would like to make the scalp buy trade, well, I do not have any objects about this. Just control your risks, since you will trade against the major trend on the daily time frame. That's rather risky. So control your risk, place a relatively tight stop, and take profit fast. Do not marry this long position, because that's market really looks heavy on the high time frames. That only for the scalp buy. So if you will get some bullish pattern here on the hourly chart, well, you could try to make the scalp buy. Well, in general, this is not small move. It's about 100 pips. So also it worth of our attention, but this is a bit beyond the scope of our research, since we mostly focused on daily time frame, and we just will have no possibility to give you a signal in time where to enter if market will form some bullish pattern right here. So that is put is on you. Well, just control this development and search for the possibility to enter long if you would like. If you trade on the daily time frame, do not do anything. Just wait when the market will show the reasonable bounce and watch for this level around 129.50, 129.70, trying to enter short with the downward continuation, with the next destination point on the daily time frame at this low. So the pattern on the weekly time frame suggests the taking out of 127.40 lows. So that's our short-term expectation, and currently market behaves right in a row with the thoughts that we have discussed in our weekly research, and it looks like this pattern that we have discussed and that we have found on the weekly time frame looks like it works. So let's continue to deal with it. Since it gives us the medium-term direction, we know direction in advance. So our task just now is just to catch the right moment to join with this potential move.